Hello everyone, let's go ahead and solve this question. As you can see from the screen there, let's start with the vector AB. So we're dealing with the direction here and the magnitude. Okay, vector AB lies on the vector OB. So we are given to say O to B is equal to 4 times the vector OA, which means OB, the vector, is equal to 4 OA is a vector, like that. What about AB? This means that for us to find AB, it means this is what we have to do. So AB, the vector AB is equal to OB minus OA. OB is 4 vector A minus OA is vector A. Therefore, the vector AB is equal to 3A. As simple as that. How do we find AC? AC, there again they have said it is 5AX. M is the midpoint of BC. So, how can you find AC? AC we can only find, you say AB plus C, BC. Okay, so how can you find AC? So let me write AC. I can use various roots here, but at least the given ones or the ones that I've found is AB plus BC. Now, what is BC? Remember, M they have said is the midpoint of BC. So, if MB or BM is vector B, then BC, it has to be 2 vector B. Therefore, AC is equal to AB, I found already is 3 vector A, plus BC, now it will be 2 vector B. And you are done. You found that vector AC. Now let us find vector OM. Wow. OM again here is simply simple. Let's go and find it. Yeah. C, we are looking for O to M. If I start from O, I can use the root, the vector OB plus BM. So, what will be the answer? OB, I know already. OB is 4 OA. 4 vector OA. We found it already in A there. OB is equal to 4 vector A plus BM. We know already is vector B. And you are done. You found the vector OM. Now the second one, OX. We are from O, we want to go to X. For me to find vector OX, I'll use OA plus AX. Now remember, they have said AC is 5 times AX. This means, so, let me just do this. They have said AC is equal to 5 times AX, the vector AX. So, for me to find the value of X, which means, this means I have to divide AC into 5 times. Therefore, this is what I can do. I'll get the AC, which is 3A plus 2 vector B over 5. Or another simple way you can solve it. We are told AC is equal to 5 vector AX. For you to remain with X, what you can do is divide both sides or do a multiplicative inverse of 5, which is 1 over 5. So, we'll divide both sides by 5. This is vector AC. So, it will be over 5. And this side you remain with the AX. And this is AX. So, on top there where there is AC, I'll just put the AC, which is here. Let me show you. This is AC. We found AC is already here. So that's the one that I'm going to copy and put it here. X, and that is AX. So now let us solve for OX. As you can see, OX is equal to OA plus AX. Vector OA plus AX. So let's continue. We'll just substitute. OA, we know already what OA is. Let's check from the diagram. OA is vector A. Okay. So this will be equal to vector A plus AX is 3A plus 2 vector B over 5. Here you can now find the common denominator of this, which is 5. So it will just be straightforward. Common denominator of A plus 3A plus 2B over 5, it will be, now when you find the common denominator and simplify them to be 5A plus 3A plus 2B vector everything over 5, which is equal to 5 plus 3, that will be 8 vector A plus 2B over 5. So this is the answer. Now let us compare with the one they want us to show. Okay, it has to be over 5. Yes, as you can see from the question there. So let's go ahead and do it nicely. So this will be 2 over 5, then 4A over that one. OX is equal to 2 over 5 for vector A plus B.